Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to get bonus account money in 1xBet. The procedure will be very simple to do. Before continuing the video, I invite you to create a 1xBet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to buy email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video. First, you're going to come at your menu. Then from here, what are you going to do? If you have the 1xBet promo code and you have made the first deposit of account, normally you will receive a message and you will get that first deposit of account by clicking on your electronic purse. You are going to see at the level of main account, just write down, you will see the option of the bonus account. You will click on that bonus account now, write down at main account, so as to make now that bonus account your main account. Then by using it now, you will now be able to now bet on your matches, and then by winning you are just going to remove the money normally. But it is important to note that the money that you are going to put for the bonus account must be very high, not low, and it is as simple as that.